7th Annual Macon Christmas Light Show Extravaganza. I'm Steve Moretti, co-founder, president, and CEO of Your Macon Pops.
And I'm Matt Cattenby, co-founder, artistic director, and conductor of Macon Pops. Now, before we begin, we would like to recognize Brian Nichols for his incredible vision of bringing this amazing light show and display right here to downtown Macon.
We are so happy and thankful for our wonderful partnership with Brian Nichols, Newtown Macon, and Macon-Dade County. Having 1 million lights synchronized to music, arranged, recorded, and produced right here in Macon is truly incredible. We've added more songs this year, so each of the 4 shows will be a little bit different. I also want to give a huge thank you to Matt Cattenby for his awesome and unique arrangements of these songs.
Thank you, Steve. I don't think anyone else around the country, or the world for that matter, has a light show quite like this. And none of it would be possible without the generous support from these sponsors.
The Macon Christmas Light Show Extravaganza is presented by Northway Church.
And we want to give a huge thank you to Northwestern Mutual of Central Georgia for being our presenting sponsor of the Macon Pops Christmas Spectacular Concert.
Kicking us off is the most wonderful time of the year, featuring Matt Cattenby on vocals, sponsored by SDB Insurance.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all.
The Man with the Bag, featuring Anita Hall on vocals, sponsored by Northway Church.
Look at that, so beautiful.
Angel Sing, featuring Daniel Naismith on vocals, sponsored by Phillips Chiropractic. Featuring Robert McDuffie on violin, sponsored by Taste and See Coffee Shop.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
Hoping that you dropped
so
in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like ice. Beautiful, what's your hurry? Listen to the fireplace roar. Beautiful, please don't worry. Put some records on while I play.
It smells so good. Oh my gosh, they smell so sweet. Smell delicious. I don't know what they are, but they smell good. I am just walking up 3rd Street, and it's so beautiful. And you probably can still hear the music. They do have speakers up here.
Santa's on his way. He's filled his sleigh with things for you and for me. ground that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
I see the candles come as the year gone by. All thrive for perfection now, and consumption so high. I know it's cold outside, but give me your hand so I can show you what love is. Dear Christmas, I want you so, but I don't need the presents, just wishing for snow and some comfort me by those that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone. I don't wanna be here alone. When I dream of Christmas, it's not always joy. But that's okay with me, as long as you're here. it's cold outside, but give me your hand so I can show you what love is.